Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out on which date you purchase which app in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen, right? So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store. So most probably everyone purchase any apps or games from the Google Play Store itself. So to find out on which date you purchase which app in any Android smartphones or tablets, what you need to do is just tap on this your profile icon on the right top corner, and now you will see one options written as payments and subscriptions, right? Just tap on it, and now you will see here on the third option written budget and history. Just tap on it. Now you will see all the applications on which date you have purchased. So you can see here. So in my case I have tons of applications that I have purchased. So you can see here when the price has been written, and you can see the date just below to it is our respective date on which you have purchased the respective Android apps or games. So you can see all the apps or games purchase list that you have purchased from the Google Play Store. So by going to these options, you can easily find out on which date you purchase which app in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these options, then you can follow this video tutorial and you can find out on which date you purchase which app in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.